Hi, I'm Kat Natividad. I work at the Verve on 41st, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pour-over with the Kalita Wave. Make a pour-over with a Kalita Wave, we just want to pre-wet the filter first thing so we can get all of the paper taste out of our coffee. We're going to place it back onto our scale and measure out about 20 grams of coffee. So we're going to start the timer, do a 40-gram bloom. Alright, so it's been 45 seconds and we're going to add about 80 grams of hot water going in a circular motion from inwards to out until we get to that 80 grams, which will add up to 120. Our second pour, we will add water until 250 grams of water has been added, and we're going to continue that circular motion outwards and then inwards. We will wait about 15 seconds more until we'll do our last pour. We really love using the Kalita Wave as our pour-over option. We love it so much that Verve uses the Kalita Waves in all of our cafes. So if you come in and order a pour-over, it will be done on the Kalita Wave. We're going to pour until we get to 320 grams of water. When we're done pouring all of the water, we want to swirl our Kalita Wave just to make sure that the grounds are all going to be flat at the end, and then just let all of the water drain through, and then you'll have a great cup of coffee at the end.